This instructional video covers the recommended procedures for the safe operation of your whipped cream dispenser. Before operating, make sure you're familiar with the controls and indicators. The on-off buttons control the power. Press the button to prepare the dispenser for operation. When you do, the tank temperature will appear on the digital display. The P1 dispensing button is the time dispensing button. The factory set is 7, which corresponds to approximately 1 ounce of product. It is possible to change the setting if you'd like to customize the dispense amount. When the button is active, its signal LED light is on. The P2 dispensing button is another time dispensing button. The factory set value for this button is 21, which corresponds to approximately 3 ounces of product. It is possible to change the setting for this button as well. When the button is active, the signal LED light is on. The P3 dispensing button can be set in 2 modes. It can operate in a manual mode, where it dispenses continuously while the button is held down and stops when the button is released. Or it can operate in a continuous mode, where it will dispense after the button is pressed and stop once the button is pressed again. Either way the button is active, the signal LED light will be on. The adjustment minus button is only active during the programming functions, and pushing it allows a decrease in the selected value. The Programming Adjustment Plus button is a dual-function button. First, when the button is pressed for a few seconds, the adjustment parameters and the corresponding set values for the P1, P2, P3, and P4 are viewed in sequence. Then, pushing the button allows an increase in the selected value. Once you are familiar with the controls, operation is easy. To dispense product, simply press one of the dispensing buttons. If you press the P1 or P2 dispensing buttons, the machine will automatically dispense the preset amount of product. If you press the P3 button, the machine will continuously dispense product, either until the button is released or until it is pushed again, depending on whether it's set for manual or continuous mode. To learn more about your whipped cream dispenser, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.